Well, hello, my friend. Hopefully, you're having a great day. Well, today on deck, we have a ThinkCentre. It's a M93P, and it's behaving weirdly. Attempt to power up. Just listen to it. Yeah, so it attempts to power up, one beep, and then it recycles, just doing this continuously. And I'll just show you the monitor way up there. That's the top monitor on top of the iMac. That's no display. So if we go back down here and focus on this machine, a single beep code, no post, nothing. This usually in many manufacturers, this is going to point to some issue with the stick of RAM, with a stick of RAM or both. We don't know. So I think it's at least one. So anyway, let's have a look and I'll show you what's going on there. So we've got two sticks of RAM there. This you can actually take as many as 4 in this machine. So that's over to the right. So just over here. So what I'm gonna do, my first step is I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna start with one stick of RAM. I'm gonna start with just this one stick, right? And I'm gonna put it in the very first slot. So you also have to adjust it appropriately too. I think I have it the other way flipped around. So you're gonna make sure there is a slot on the in the chip itself, on the socket itself, that you're gonna line it properly with. It's very close to the CPU. There you go. You should hear it clicks down. Go down again. Not a lot of room to press it down. Yeah, it clicks in. Okay, so I have one in there, and I'm gonna try to boot up with that. Just a moment. So power. I'm not gonna put network yet. Just power on keyboard. Okay, so it start posting. Let's see if we have anything on our monitor at the top. So yeah, we're getting into Windows. We are getting into Windows. But anyway, let's see what's going on. He said it looks like Windows didn't load correctly. Okay, so that's not unusual because it failed on a couple, well, several posts before. So we're gonna say restart my PC. I don't know 100% if it's that one, but anyway, just by reseating it, it could also be that they were just not reseated properly. Okay, so that's it. So let me log in into that. Where's my keyboard? My keyboard is over here somewhere. That's not my keyboard. I got too many keyboards. So just want to show you up there. I was able to log in. So I won't be able to go online right now. So I'll just put both back in. And if I put both back in and they work, then we know it was just a matter of reseating the memory. But at least to this point, I have gotten to where I know it's related to the memory not seated properly, or defective memory stick. Okay, so hopefully this video has helped you to troubleshoot if you have a similar issue. So please like, please share, please subscribe, and also please watch the next video. Until next time, you have a great day. Bye now.